everyone, welcome to sunny Guaranty RV in Junction City. I'm here to show you this beautiful 2014 Itasca Sunova 35G. It's a beautiful rig, pre-owned to us, and we've got this baby priced to sell, but come on in and take a look at what you might miss if you don't come get it right now. Come on in. One thing I think you may have noticed or not is this door is not over by the driver's seat, and you don't have to walk around that when you're unloading all of your camping gear and your groceries. You walk straight into the kitchen, which is this beautiful layout with the microwave convection, a 3-burner propane stove with a nice grill top, double sink, and lots of counter space, storage space, and galore. And then when you're done with that, you've got your lemonade fixed. You come in here if it's a rainy day outside or a sunny day and enjoy this beautiful, comfortable living room. This couch will come out and make into L-shaped, living room setup. These seats come up and fold back into a full seating area, so you can enjoy this fireplace, a nice cozy seat, and a big screen TV. More storage above head, speakers all around, a fold-away table. So what this little guy over here will do is come out and sit in the middle of this circular dinette, is what it can also turn into. Pretty clever. Great job, Winnebago, with the Itasca. You've got a really comfortable area up here for your driver and passenger. Power seats and a footrest for the passenger. Also have this clever little table that comes out so you can actually do some work on your computer or keep your hamburger and fries there in front of you. Come on in and I'll show you the back side of this 35-foot motorhome. You got a double refrigerator and ice makers at the top. Beautiful refrigerator. A full bathroom when this door is shut and this door is shut. You've got a nice full bathroom, privacy, and a large shower. Come on in and take a look at this clever bathroom situation. Got another king-size bed in the bedroom with opposing windows on each side of the headboard and a rear exit window. Beautiful closet, 5 drawers of space for your clothing, and a washer and dryer. Those are awesome. All of your controls, probably about 12 of them in there. And this would be your book of instructions. Anyway, you've got some great closet space here. And what these clever things are is the backs of those seats I was telling you about on the couch that turns into a circular dinette or an L-shaped couch on both sides. Come on out and I'll show you how much room you'll have to store all the things you'll bring with you. Cute little cubby for things you might need right by the door if you had to get out and do something like a flashlight. Your propane tank. And more storage for your camp stove or your chairs. You have access to the roof with this back ladder and a rear view camera. Awning, Cummins generator. It's a 50-watt electrical cord that will come with this unit. And this is your entire wash station and tank dump station. More storage up ahead, and this 3-slide unit gives ample space for all the living conveniences that you need. Come on in and see me, and we'll take this for a test drive. I hope you get here soon because it won't last long. You can reach me at the number below, and thank you so much for watching. Welcome again to Guaranty. Thank you.